Hello ma'am,
Yeah, hi.
I have inquiry about a courses.
Okay, so which course you are looking for?
I am looking for data analytics and data science course.
Okay, so fill this form. Okay.
Myself Akhilesh Patil. I am from Vijaypura. I completed my masters in computer applications in BLDACT college. After that, I am in search of courses or institute. So I found Fortune Cloud Institute. So that I have joined their data analytics and data science course. Here, staffs are very helpful and they solve problems even day by day. We also understand every new tools like Power BI, Tableau, and the core analytics of Python. So we are very respectful for our teachers and special thankful for Shadaf sir and Rajeshwari ma'am. I have also performed some projects like churn ED analysis, Python Airbnb analysis. So all are very useful. So thank you Fortune Club.